Today we shall discuss about capacitance of a single core cable. This is the diagram. They have single core cable. Middle you can see small circle, that is a core, and outer circle dark line, that is a sheath. Okay, we have considered the inner cylinder and outer cylinder. You can see inner cylinder is cable and outer cylinder is represented by lead sheath, which is at earth potential. You can see dark circle, that is a dark line circle is connected for earth. Consider a single core cable with conductor diameter is small d and inner sheath diameter capital D. Sheath diameter is capital D. Let the charge per meter axial length of the cable be Q coulombs and epsilon be the permittivity of the insulation material between core and lead sheath. Outside what I have marked sheath as lead sheath and inner is core. Okay. Epsilon is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r, where epsilon r is the relative permittivity of the insulation. Consider a cylinder of radius x meters and axial length 1 meter. The surface area of this cylinder is 2 pi x into 1, that is 2 pi x into length. Length we have considered 1 meter, so 2 pi x meter square. Electric flux density at any point P on the considered cylinder is dx is equal to q divided by 2 pi x coulombs per meter square. Next, electric intensity at point P, Ex is equal to dx divided by epsilon. Dx value is q divided by 2 pi x epsilon is equal to, you will get q divided by 2 pi x, epsilon value is epsilon naught into epsilon r volts per meter. The work done in moving a unit positive charge from point P to P through a distance dx in the direction of electric field is Ex into dx. Hence, the work done in moving a unit positive charge from conductor to sheath, we need to find out the work done in moving a unit positive charge from conductor to sheath. That means small circle to sheath, large conductor, large circle. Okay. What is the potential difference between the conductor and the sheath? First we shall see the potential difference. V is equal to, we should apply the limits d by 2 to capital D by 2, because we are considering conductor radius is d by 2, sheath radius is capital D by 2. So apply limits, we are considering from conductor to sheath, so apply d by 2 to capital D by 2 Ex into dx. If you integrate Ex into dx is equal to, you will get integration of d by 2 capital D by 2 q divided by 2 pi x into epsilon naught into epsilon r into dx. Okay, if you differentiate 1 divided by, if you integrate 1 divided by x, you will get log x. After getting log x, you should apply the limits. First, d divided by 2 minus log d divided by 2 minus log d small d divided by 2. Log a minus log b, if it is there, we will consider as log a divided by b. So log d by 2 log capital D by 2 minus log small d by 2, that we will take as log e capital D divided by small d. Next, capacitance of the cable is C is equal to Q by V. We know the value of V, substitute the value of V, you will get 2 pi epsilon naught epsilon r divided by log E capital D divided by small d farad per meter. Okay, we know the value of epsilon naught 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12. This is a standard. Okay, epsilon naught value substitute. Okay, next instead of writing log E capital D divided by d, we can write it as there is a base is E. For log there is a base is E. We can convert into log base 10. Okay, to convert into log base 10, we should write the 2.303 log 10 capital D divided by d. Okay, we have converted log base to the power of E equal to log base to the power of 10. Okay, so that we need to multiply 2.303. Okay, next after calculating you will get epsilon r divided by 41.4 log 10 capital D divided by small d into 10 to the power of minus 9 farad per meter. If the cable has a length of L meters, then capacitance of the cable is, we have considered till now capacitance cable has a length of 1 meter. If the cable has a length of L meters, then you need to substitute as epsilon r into L divided by 41.4 log 10 capital D divided by d farad. Okay, next charging current. Charging current Xc is equal to 1 divided by omega c is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi fc. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. Substitute omega, then 1 divided by 2 pi fc. Next, and charging current I is equal to V phase divided by X phase. We shall solve the problem. A single core cable has a conductor diameter of 1 cm and internal sheath diameter of 1.8 cm. If impregnated paper of relative permittivity 4 is used as an insulation, calculate the capacitance for 1 km length of the cable. C is equal to, what is the formula? Epsilon r L divided by 41.4 log base 10 D divided by D into 10 to the power of minus 9. Epsilon r they have given 4, L is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, L is equal to, they have given the 1 centimeter. If you multiply into 10 to the power of 1 length, they have given the diameter, they have given 1 centimeter. Capital D is equal to 1.8 centimeter. Length they have given 1 kilometer. C is equal to 4 into length divided by 41.4 log 10 capital D is 8, 1.8 divided by small d is 1. So you will get C is equal to 0.378 into 10 to the power of minus 6 farad is equal to 0.378 microfarad. Next problem is calculate the capacitance and charging current of single core cable used on 3-phase 66 kV system. The cable is 1 km long, having a core diameter of 10 cm. That means they have given the core diameter small d is equal to 10 cm, and an impregnated paper insulation of thickness is 7 cm. The relative permittivity of the insulation may be taken as 4. They have not given the capital D value. That means they have said impregnated paper insulation of thickness. That means the cable is first, next layer. D is equal to 10 plus 2 into 7. Okay, 2 times impregnated paper insulation of thickness will be 2 times greater than that. Okay, so D is equal to 10 plus 2 into 7. Epsilon r is equal to 4, length is equal to 1000, 1 kilometer they have given, small d is equal to 10 centimeter. Substitute the values, you will get C is equal to 0.254 microfarad. V phase is equal to 66 divided by root 3 because 3 phase 38.1 kV. Charging current is equal to V phase divided by Xc, 2 pi Fc V phase. If you substitute, you will get 3.04. Thank you.